class children. Last class we studied properties of rational numbers. Okay. Today we are going to learn one more property, that is distributive property. What? Distributive property. Okay. What is distributive property? Say distributive property was addition. A into B plus C, which is equal to A. Say it is a multiplication of binomial to monomial. Okay. A into B, A into B plus again A into C. Understand? Similarly, let us see one example. 4 into 3 plus 5, which is equal to, yes, the same manner, 4 into 3 plus 4 into 5. 4 is 12 plus 5 was 20, which is equal to 32. Here also we will get the same answer. Okay, children. Okay, fine. Now we are going to discuss about some exercise problems in that first line. First one, using appropriate property, find minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus of 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. I will write again solution here. See, minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 plus remainder is 5 by 2. See, it is in the form of A plus B. It is in the form of associative property. Associative property. Why? Because A into B equal to B into A. Okay. Associative property. Next, yes, 3 by 5 common is there. 3 by 5 is common here. 3 by 5 common, take it out, and remainder is minus 2 by 3 here minus 1 by 6 into remaining is here 5 by 2. Now 3 by 5 into, take LCM of 6 and 3. LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. Why? Because these two are multiples. 3 to the 6. Therefore, LCM is 6. Understood? Here it is in the form of distributive property. Okay. 3 by 5. LCM is 6. Minus 2 in the denominator, numerator. Multiply by 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 minus 1. 6 ones are 6 ones are 1. Here further is 5 by 2. 3 by 5 into 2 fours are 2 twos are 4. Sign is minus 4. 1 ones are 1 by 6. Okay, plus 5 by 2. Yes, children. 3 by 5 minus 4 minus 1 is minus of 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Okay. Next, here 3 by 5 into minus 5 by 6 plus of 5 by 2. See here, 3 ones are 3 twos are 5 ones are 5 ones are. Then here remaining is minus of 1 by 2 plus of 5 by 2. Also we can write it as 5 by 2 minus of 1 by 2. Here LCMs are, denominators are same. So now we need to take LCM 2 over 5 minus 1. Okay. 2 over 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 equal to 4 by 2. Here 2 ones are 2 twos are. Therefore answer is 2. Understand? Next, Second main problem. Write the additive inverse of the following. Write the additive inverse of the following. Dear children, additive inverse is 0. Okay, 0 is the additive inverse. Okay, see here, that means additive inverse of a equal to minus a. Here a minus a equal to 0. Therefore 0 is the additive inverse. Let us see some examples on this. First, what is the additive inverse of 2 by 8? The additive inverse of answer is the additive inverse of 2 by 8 is s minus 2 by 8. Second one, additive inverse of minus 5 by 9. Answer is the additive inverse of minus 5 by 9 is 5 by 9. Suppose whether it is right or wrong, let's we have to take tally. Minus 5 by 9 plus of 5 by 9, which is equal to denominator is common, write the 9 as it is. Minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. 0 by 9 equal to 0. Therefore, our problem is correct. Understand children? Let us see few more additive inverse problems on this. Okay. The additive inverse of 3. Additive inverse of 3. What is the additive inverse of 3? Additive inverse of the additive inverse of 3 is minus 3. Similarly, remaining problems are minus 6 by minus 5, which is equal to additive inverse equal to minus 6 by minus 5. You can write it as minus minus gets cancelled. Remaining is 6 by 5. So 6 by 5 additive inverse is 6 by 5 additive inverse is what? Yes, minus 6 by 5. Okay. Next, additive inverse of 19 by minus 6. 19 by minus 6, we can write it as standard form, that is minus 19 by 6. For this additive inverse is yes 19 by 6. These are the additive inverse problems. Next, we will learn multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Third main, find the multiplicative inverse of the following. In that first, let us see what is multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means, for example, a equal to 1 by a. Understand? That means a multiplied by a, which is equal to 1. That means a gets cancelled. Therefore, 1 is the multiplicative inverse. Understand? Let us see some examples on this. Firstly, find the multiplicative inverse of minus 13 by 19. See here. Answer multiplicative inverse of minus 13 by 19 equal to what? Yes, 19 by 13. 19 by 13, that is minus. How? Tally. We will see tally. Minus 13 by 19 into minus 19 by 13. See here children, 13 gets cancelled. 19 gets cancelled. Minus minus also gets cancelled. 1 by 1 into 1 by 1, which is equal to 1 into 1 equal to 1. This is the multiplicative inverse. Next, what is the multiplicative inverse of minus 13? Okay, multiplicative of inverse of minus 13 equal to 1 by 13. 1 by minus 13 or minus 1 by 13. Understand? As it is the number, right? Reverse order. Sign should be same. Here there is no changes in the signs. Understand children? Next, third one. Minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7. Look here children, right? For this we have to write the additive inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Multiply these two products, take the products. Minus 5 into minus 3 by 8 into 7 is equal to minus into minus plus 5 3 is 15. 8 7 is 56. Therefore, we have to write multiplicative inverse of 15 by 56. The multiplicative inverse of 15 by 56 is 56 by 15. Understand? Okay. Now we are going to discuss about next problem, that is find the value of x. Here we have to do an operation, that is verify that minus of x is equal to x. The given problems are, first one, if x equal to 11 by 50 and if x equal to minus 13 by 70. Understand? See here, first one, x equal to 11 by 15. In this equation, minus of x, it is equal to x. What is the given? Minus x minus, which is equal to x. In the place of x, where is the x? In the place of x, we have to substitute 11 by 15 minus of 11 by 15, which is equal to x value as it is 11 by 15. Okay, minus into minus, yes, plus 15 by 11 by 15, which is equal to 11 by 15. That means LHS is equal to RHS. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay. Now another example. That is second one example, that is minus x minus is equal to x. What is the value of x here given? Here given x value is minus of again minus 13 by 70. It is equal to minus of 13 by 70. Okay. Here see. First remove the brackets one by one. Minus into minus plus 13 by 17. Okay. Which is equal to minus 13 by 70. Understand? Here minus into plus minus 13 by 17, which is equal to minus of 13 by 17. Here see children, we got LHS equal to RHS. Both also same in these two terms. Hence, our assumption is correct. Next, we will go to learn some filling the blanks are there. Okay. And true or false is also given. This one. Sorry, question number. Here, right. Right. First one. The rational numbers. The rational numbers that doesn't have. It doesn't have a reciprocal. Which is the reciprocal is rational number? Yes, 0. Answer is 0. Second one, the rational numbers. The rational numbers. The rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals. That is, answer is, see children here, the rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals. Which are the numbers are? Yes, those numbers are 1 and minus 1. See, understand the question properly. The rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals. Okay. Minus 1 and plus 1 and minus 1. Next third problem. That is the rational number. The rational number that is equal to its negative. Say if the rational number is equal to its negative is 0. Understand? Next, fill in the blanks. Next, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one, 0 has dash reciprocals. 0 has dash reciprocals. Okay, children, you see there is no reciprocals for 0. No reciprocals. Second one, the numbers dash and dash are their one reciprocals. One and minus one. 1 and minus 1. Next, the reciprocal of minus 5 is what? Minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5. Next, fourth one, reciprocal of 1 by x, where x is equal to 0 is a dash x. Fifth one, the product of two rational number, the product of two rational numbers is always a rational number. Suppose 2 by 3 is a rational number, for the product is minus 5 by 4 is also a rational number. Its product is 2 5s are minus 10, 4 3s are 12, minus 10 by 12 is a rational number. Next one, the reciprocal of a positive number, positive rational number is dash. See, the reciprocal of a positive rational number is always a positive. Understand, children? See, in this class we solved some more problems, and remaining problems in this main we will discuss in the next classes. Okay, children? And also prepare all of your notes about this. Okay, thank you.